Good morning, guys. This is what you've all been waiting for. We've been working really hard on this restoration project, and this is the last process. This is the last lesson. When you give your life to God and you allow Him to restore your heart, your mind, your body, and your spirit, in the end, the final product will show new. Thank you guys for picking B. I think it looks. Although I did switch the waves to the other direction. This shows you how when you let God mold you and help you and restore you, you have a whole new you. And what will this do? Well, you have a new purpose. You have a new life. You have a new way of seeing things and doing things. So, let yourself be restored by God, okay? God bless you.